Hey everyone, it's TM. Today we're diving into my favorite summer crop, cucumbers. Most gardeners let cucumbers grow wild, but with a few tweaks, you can get earlier, longer, and more reliable harvests. I've tested countless methods and narrowed it down to a handful of simple, game-changing strategies. If your cucumbers fizzle out mid-season or only give you a handful, you're in the right place. Let's turn your cucumber patch into a production powerhouse. The secret to a long cucumber season starts before planting. Warmth is key. Cucumbers hate cold soil, so I start seeds indoors 3-4 weeks before the last frost. A sunny windowsill or a basic heat mat works wonders for fast, healthy germination. Once seedlings have true leaves, gradually harden them off outside over a week. This avoids transplant shock and sets them up for strong, early growth. Early indoor starts mean your plants mature faster and fruit sooner. That head start leads to a longer, more abundant harvest. Once in the garden, don't let cucumbers sprawl. Train them vertically. Trellising boosts airflow, slashes disease risk, and keeps fruit clean and easy to spot. Guide vines onto a trellis as soon as tendrils appear, weaving them through as they grow. Vertical growth means straighter cucumbers, less rot, and effortless harvesting. You'll save space and avoid missing hidden overripe fruit. It's a simple switch with huge benefits. Your plants, and your back, will thank you. Here's a powerful trick. Pinch off the main vine tip after 5-7 true leaves. It sounds drastic, but this redirects energy into side shoots, multiplying your fruiting branches. Each new lateral shoot can produce its own flowers and cucumbers. This simple pinch can boost your harvest 5-fold. Wait until the plant is strong, then snip the tip. Your plant will explode with new growth. More branches mean more cucumbers all season long. Don't skip this step if you want maximum yield. Once cucumbers start fruiting, their appetite skyrockets. Feed them every 2 weeks with a potassium-rich liquid fertilizer. Think fish emulsion or tomato feed. Consistent feeding keeps plants vigorous and productive. If fruiting slows, it's usually a sign they're hungry. Don't let them run on empty. Regular nutrients mean continuous flowers and fruit. Make feeding part of your routine, right alongside watering. Well-fed plants keep the cucumber factory running. The most important tip, harvest cucumbers young and often. If you let one fruit mature fully, the plant thinks its job is done and stops producing. Pick every day or two while fruit is still small and tender. Frequent harvesting tricks the plant into making more flowers and cucumbers. For slicers, pick at 6-8 inches. For picklers, 3-4 inches. Stay diligent. Cucumbers grow fast. This habit keeps your plants in constant production. Mulch is your cucumber's best friend. A 2-4 inch layer of organic mulch keeps soil moist, cool, and weed-free. Mulch reduces stress, prevents flower drop, and stabilizes soil temperature. Use straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips. These break down and feed the soil too. Less watering, fewer weeds, and happier plants. Mulch after planting and reap the rewards all season. It's a simple step with a massive payoff. That's my complete system for endless cucumbers. Warm starts, vertical growth, pinching, feeding, frequent picking, and mulch. You don't have to do everything at once. Even 1 or 2 changes will boost your harvest. Try trellising and more frequent picking this year. You'll see results fast. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll try first. For more cucumber tips, check out my pest guide linked on screen. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.